Whew. Oh wow, okay, it's been a minute since I've even made a full form video like this. Yes, so this is another unboxing video because I got the CMF by Nothing Watch, which is basically a Nothing Watch Pro. This caught my eye because I have never seen this before. I have to get it. Like I don't know, like I've never owned a Nothing product. Of all the things that I've owned, from phone, from Apple, Samsung, Poco, but I've never owned a Nothing product. So today, this will be my first Nothing product, and after this, I'll probably purchase the Nothing Phone 2 or the Nothing Phone 2A, or is it A? I completely forgot the name. But their transparency stuff really gets my attention, which is insane. So without further ado, I am ready to just unbox this thing. And I kind of been excited since I found out about it because like I said, I literally did not know anything about it. I hope I didn't break anything. I do want to say I do like that it has like this little information about like how to use the watch. Like it says like quick release lever on how to release like basically the wristband, and then charging contact, microphone, quick release, press and hold the power on. So go back in there, you're not ready to come out. Then the speaker. First things first, we're gonna take out this. First of all, it's gonna come with some paperwork. Almost every device comes with paperwork, so this is going to be the 2-point contact charger. I guess it kind of just snaps onto it. This is the wristband. I don't think I was supposed to pull it out like that. Then again, my pull-out game is pretty weak. This one, if you guys can see that, that is a very nice little like marking on there. I kind of just like how it has their, you know, their signature dots. It's pretty cool. And here comes the main item of the show that I've been wanting to see. I did get the gray version, and it does have some decent weight. So it is a chunky guy, and I kind of like this, but let's, ooh, it has like a really nice feeling. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Oh, is it upside down? Oh, it started up already. That was quick. This is a little more difficult than I thought it was. Come on, Nothing. We got it on the phone. Turns out it's because Bluetooth wasn't on. So it is my fault. So apparently it's pairing. I love how this feels on my arm. No, seriously though, I really do. We're gonna take this off so we can fully review this. So right here, you're gonna see different watch faces. Is that it? I feel like this is gonna be like more my thing, and I actually pretty much enjoy that. It's 433. Is it actually 433? Yeah, it's 434 actually. So after I got this watch, now that I have it in hand, I'll give you guys an update within a week. Let you guys know, because I am going to use this watch now and pretty excited for this. So yeah. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and peace out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. I still can't believe they made a watch.